and this is in the practice A box. Here's how I want you to do these. It will make life easier for you. Change them to improper fractions first. How would I change 1 and 5/8 to an improper fraction? 8 times 1 is what?
8.
Plus 5 would be? Plus? 8 over 3. Does everybody see where that's coming from? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, I changed them, but I can't add them yet. Why? I need a common denominator. What would it be? 24. Good. Why is it 24? 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. Does that make sense? This means yes. This means no. Okay, first fraction, we're multiplying top and bottom by 3. 13 times 3. 39 over 24 plus. Next one, we're multiplying times 8s. This is where some of you that need to refresh on your times tables, it's going to come back and you're going to see that 8 times 8 is 64 over 24. Does that make sense? Now they have the same common denominator. Now I can do what? Add the tops. Well, you can't use a calculator, so I'm just going to do it over here. 39 plus 64. 103. If you can't do that on your head, I don't mind you showing that out to the side or wherever you need to do it. 103 over what? Nobody said 48. Remember, you don't change the denominator. 24. Biggest mistake I see with this section is the people that'll say 48 down there. Since these started as mixed numbers, most of the time I will have you answer as mixed numbers. 103 divided by 24. I don't expect you to have your 24 times tables memorized. Do it over to the side. I'm going to do 24 times 4. Find out if that gets me close. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 4 times 2 is. Okay, we need to wake up. 4 times 2 is
8.
Plus 1 would be 96. So that's pretty close. That's all the closer I'm going to get. 4 up here, 96 here. Subtract. 103 minus 96 would be 7. So my answer is 4 and 7 over 24. Changing them to mixed or improper fractions will make life easier, especially with the subtraction ones. Questions. Somebody has a question. Keep in mind, if you have a question, probably 4 other people do. So you speaking out will only help everyone else. No questions. So I could hand you a quiz on this right now and you'd all be good, right? Okay. Well, I'm not going to do that, but I'm not that mean.